I don't need this jigsaw much, but when I do need it, I expect it to work. I don't expect the cord to look like this. So, yeah, that's what we're going to try to do here. I guess the first step is, let's open this puppy up. Hopefully it's not a lot of work. This was my dad's jigsaw. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it a 4. You know, a lot better tools than jigsaws. So anyways, how hard is this going to be to open up? What am I going to have to do here? So I have the camera in a different position today, so I'm trying to film everything. So this, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so opening up. Oh, it is going to open up. Okay, so let's going to open up this one. Okay, let's remember how this goes. So this goes there. This bottom faceplate has to come off. So let's loosen it. I think we loosen this. Be nice if it just slides off. Okay, we're going to loosen it all the way. And then what? Oh, maybe it comes off. Oh, yeah. Well, wonders never cease. It's gears. Oh, it's nice. Cool. However, we'll leave that like this, and this goes to that. In the meantime, we gotta fix this, don't we? Oh, sorry. Hit the camera. Cool. So what happens here? We got a motor. It turns, rotates this gear. Well, it's not really a gear, is it? Is it a fan? It rotates. There's 2 gears here. This gear makes it go up and down. So it's just a gear mechanism. As the small gear turns, the little axle foley that goes up and down that holds the blade is off center on this bigger gear. Okay, simple. All right, anyways, let's fix this. Axle foley. Let's have the connection inside, shall we? Let's solder it. Solder it. So we're going to cut here, and we're going to attach it here. We're going to attach it like that. We're going to attach it here. Okay, we know what we're doing. So let's get the soldering iron. Let's heat it up. Hopefully this won't take too long. Soldering iron over here. Solder, solder, flux. Need a knife. So I just want to open this up. Well, actually, I don't care. I want the attachment right around here, right? Correct? I want the attachment here. 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 There. this yet. Heat shrink tubes. I need heat shrink tubes. My heat shrink tube one there. Let's put one there. Okay, that's good. Close that up. We got this. Wait, did I even turn this on? Yeah, it's turned on. Oh, don't melt it. Stay there. I do need this. Cut it. Garbage. So it's coming. Actually, you know what? Okay. Okay. Flux. Keep it in an old cigarillo box. Just easier to use this way. That's done. Is this melted yet? Good. All right. It's as easy as that, folks. Get the heat gun, unplug the soldering iron, watch it fall. Soldering goes in. Heat gun, heat shrink. done. This goes like this. Goes like this. Goes like this. That. Get the soldering iron away from here. Get this bracket. Get the screws. Get the drill. Screw in the screw. Screw in the other one. Then, how's this go? Then, how's this go? Goes in there, right? Oh, great. Oh, gosh. No, I'm not going to figure this out. This like that. Right? So this went here. Okay. So this went here. This, which means this went there. Which means, where does this go? Where's this? Oh, I get it. This is for the motor. It's graphite. Oh, there we go. This makes the motor go. I think it's graphite. This goes here. This goes here. This will go. So what does this attach to? I had to drop it, didn't I? Okay, let's see. So if you press it, there. It locks it. It just keeps going. Okay, cool. You know, in the past, if I had it upside down, I put a zip tie like this. I didn't know it had a lock, so duh, idiot. Okay. So now if I